This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include xDrive, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 47,000 miles. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and it comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.